Hardware Canucks CES coverage is made possible by our partner NVIDIA. It is also made possible thanks to Corsair, Fantex, and NCIX. Without them, we wouldn't be here.
CES was an awesome experience for us this year, and throughout our journey on the show floor, we came across some kick-ass builds that you guys might enjoy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed our little project of bringing you the best looking builds at the show floor. As always, stay tuned for more similar content, and we'll see you in the next one.